Hi everyone, welcome to my Swift product review. This is Khadi from Khadi's Digital Marketing. Today we will be reviewing a traffic source software product called Swift. This will help you to monetize your PDFs and slides presentation using Swift. You will be creating the campaigns using the software so that you can share it to different sharing website. So if you feel like this is something that you are interested in, please stay with me throughout the entire review. I will take you through my custom bonuses and also just show you in the training section what Swift is all about. But for now, let's just get started. We are now in the custom bonuses page, so I'll take you through the Swift bonuses. But for now, just for housekeeping rules, let's just get it out there. So please bear in mind that the bonuses will only be free for the period of the launch. Once the timer hits 00, these bonuses won't be available anymore. So I suggest that if you are interested in the product, just click in the description link and just get yourself this product. So let's just go through it. So the first bonus is Access Traffic Babylon. This is a traffic bonus that will help you to gain more traffic. It's laid out step by step, and I just have to make note that it's only available for the first 24 hours. So these bonuses are prepared by Jono Armstrong, the #1 super affiliate out there. So you know that if it's good for Jono, so then these bonuses will definitely be worthwhile for you to take up. So the second bonus is Instant Traffic Checker. So this is another traffic bonus that will help you to leverage the websites as to driving traffic using websites. So I suggest you can just take up this tutorial that will show you how to do that. The third bonus is get some traffic strategies for your YouTube channel. So this is good for Swift because you will be able to create your campaigns or your slides using Swift. So basically, hence we have the traffic bonuses. It will help you once you have created your campaigns. This is how you can just choose the different strategies of driving traffic to promote your product. So this is using YouTube channel to do that. The fourth bonus is tracking your business for success. We all know that having the right and positive mindset, it's a must when you're starting a business, be it an online business or any business. So this tutorial, this course will show you how you can do that and always keep a positive mind. So the next bonus is the vendors bonuses. And guys, if you are interested in the bonuses, please just click on the orange button here so that you can just take up the bonuses and you will be able to get all these custom bonuses. So the last one is the custom bonuses that the vendor has given me so I can give to you. So I will be able to share this if you take up the product. So the next section that I want us to go through is the members area, where we'll go through step by step as to what Swift is all about. We are now in the members area where we'll just go through the training. So this product was created, it is created by Venkata Ramana. So he's the creator of Swift, and the first step, I won't go through it. It's a video, guys. I won't click on it. So basically what he's saying here, he shows you how you can use Swift to upload your blog, as an example, the one that you want to promote, and generate PDF and also slides, and using those and send them to the PDF or slides websites that are available. Get to it. I just want us to do a practical example on creating one campaign. So I've already selected the blog that I want us to work with. So it's one of those lose weight blog. So all you have to do, guys, just select, copy the link, put it here under the URL of the blog you want to clone, And I suggest guys use this option, create campaigns from the blog. Don't start from scratch. because otherwise you won't be using the awesome functionality that comes with the software. So you click on create. Once you click on create, this will upload the blog, the content of the blog that you just selected, to Swift. And once it has done that, you should be able to update. Here it is. So you should be able to update. So I just want to show you. Go back to the blog. This is the content, and now you go back to Swift. So it has uploaded the information. Okay, you can just select the information that you want. Let's say, for an example, you don't want all this, but you need to put the person who created the blog, right? So that you can just give him a shout out, because it is his blog after all. Don't remove his details. So you remove whatever you don't want and you keep what you want. So, but remember, with the link, you can just put your affiliate link here to say for one way to lose weight quickly is 2. Then you can just insert your affiliate link there. So, but basically do your amendments as you see fit, and once you are happy with the changes, you can just come down and say, just create let's say lose weight PDF as an example. You say save campaign. Once you save campaign, it will be available on the Swift software. Okay, that's fine. Then it will be here. It will be available on the Swift software. You should be able to amend it if you want. But let's say you are happy 100%. Now you can export your PDF. It's ready to be sent to the sharing websites out there, the PDF sharing website. Or you can edit it. It's up to you. Or you can delete and create another one. But ultimately, your campaign should look something like this. But it will be based on the changes that you've made, right? Yeah, you'll put whatever information that you want, and if you are happy, then it's ready to be exported. So we've gone through the training. I just want to take you to, let's just go to the sales page. So this is the sales page. This is what the vendor is saying. So he's saying with one click, this Swift software, it's a one-click app that puts any link in front of up to 110 million hungry buyers in less than a minute. So it doesn't need no tech skills or experience, no website or videos no list needed. You don't have to have an email list to do this. Just have to create your campaign and then share it to the relevant website that you want to share it. So it also has a 90-day guarantee and AutoPilot free traffic in 39 seconds. Yeah, I don't know about the 39 seconds, but yeah, you are able to create your campaign and send it out to the relevant traffic that you want to share to. Okay, so another point is, so if you are interested, you will come to the sales page. When you click on the description link, it will take you to this page, which is the sales page. It will take you to this page, the sales page, and you can just go down, get to this yellow button that says get instant access now. Once you click on it, you make your payment, and if your payment is successful, then you will get an email. This is a Warrior Plus product. You will get an email from Warrior Plus that says thank you for your purchase. It will give you the credentials, that is your username and password, so that you can just go into Warrior Plus and access your product. But for now, let's just go to the prices and see how much this product will cost you. So the basic price, which is the front end is, you will get the training that we just went through now, the Swift training, and you'll also get the awesome bonuses. That is, if the timer has not expired, the period that the launch has not expired, you will get the awesome bonuses and also get the software, the members training section with all the content for $17. But if you want to upgrade, you can get the Swift Unlimited for $39, where you experience Swift without limits. You will be able to create unlimited campaigns. You saw there when I was creating, it says you have reached your limit. So if you want to use this product like 100% to its capacity, I suggest that you take up the upsell number 1, the pro version, for $39, so that you can get unlimited campaigns. And upsell number 2, Swift limitless traffic for $197. This is done for you. Upsell number 3, Swift done for you. They will do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. They will set up the Swift team. And Swift sleep technology, upsell number 4 for $39. And upsell number 5, Swift monetization for $197. So number 6 is Swift reseller. This gives you the reseller's right to sell Swift as a product, and that will allow you to get 100% commission, because you will be selling it you will have the rights to sell it. So once again, if you are interested, you can just click on the description link, or just click on these orange buttons so that you can take up the product. But for now, I can just give you my honest review. So this is another traffic source product, and it's using a different way. It teaches you how to create your campaigns, and we saw it's not hectic, guys. You don't need skills to do that. Just upload the blog that you want to create your campaigns from, and you can export it via PDF, or you can also do slides, and then it's ready to be shared to the sharing PDF and slides websites out there. And for me, I think it's worthwhile for you to take up another way of helping you to create your campaigns, and so that you can just create like enticing leads magnet that will get the potential buyers to buy your product that you are promoting at the time. So this is Khadi from Khadi's Digital Marketing. If you like my review, please subscribe and click on the like button so that my channel can grow. But for now, thanks for watching my review. Cheers, guys.